It's what you all been waiting for.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So if you watched my last video, you know I said I had a big announcement to make on the 2018 Mustang here, and today is the day that we're going to reveal it to the channel. But before we get into that, I do need to swap over the stock wheels and tires back on. The season for our compound tires has officially ended, being that it's 25 degrees outside right now. So I do need to get these stock wheels and tires back on. These are Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, so they are summer only tire. However, they're really not bad in cold weather. They're really pretty good in the rain. And of course, it's way better than the track tire, ball track tires that I have on here now. So we're gonna throw the stock wheels and tires back on, and then we'll get right into the good stuff. Alright, so we got the stock wheels and tires back on there. So we should be good to go to get us through the next few months of cold weather. And now we can get on with the main point of the video. So as I said before in my last video, we're going to be adding big power to the 2018, but we're going to be doing it on the lowest budget possible. How are we going to do that? Well, let me show you. That's right. We're going to let the big dog eat. Alright, so I had this nitrous kit lying around from a drag car build I was working on a couple years back, and I saved this kit. This is a complete kit. I can use it just how it sits, but I do want to do it the right way. So instead of just using like the basic fogger nozzle into the intake pipe, we're going to get the Coyote throttle body plate, and that plate runs about 300 bucks. And then I'll also need the fuel rail adapter, which is another 50 bucks or so. So basically for about 350 to 400 bucks in parts, I can make this kit work properly on this car. But after looking a little on eBay, I noticed that I can buy the complete high output Coyote kit. Comes with the plate, comes with everything you need for this car. And I can get that kit minus a bottle. I can get it for like 600 bucks. So the plan for this car is I want to hit this thing pretty hard. I'm going to hit it with like a 200 shot of nitrous. And the thing is I'm not real sure how that's going to work, as far as you want to leave out of the hole on the nitrous. That's what's going to really give you the best ET possible. And I'm not sure if that's going to be possible on a 200 shot. So by buying the second kit minus the bottle, what that'll allow me to do is I'm probably going to hook up both kits and run a dual stage setup. We are going to try to run it just with the plate on a 200 shot, see if we can't leave out of the hole with that, and we'll see what it does. If that doesn't work, we're going to split it up into 2 stages. I'll probably leave on a 125 or a 150 shot, and then make up the difference in the second stage as soon as we get traction. So that is the big plan for the 2018. Alright, so really the reason why I decided to go with nitrous, other than the obvious reason being cost, is nobody's really doing nitrous anymore. Matter of fact, if you do a search on YouTube for 2018 Mustang nitrous, you get basically 0 results. So I wanted to bring something to the channel that's different from what everybody else is doing. And also, I used to use nitrous a lot when I was younger, and I feel like when the dyno wars started, as I like to call them, people kind of went away from nitrous because nitrous doesn't put out the most amazing peak horsepower numbers. However, if you look at ETs, which is what we used to look at back in the day, well, trap speeds and ETs, that's where you'll see that nitrous absolutely does work, and hopefully maybe we can, you know, bring it back a little bit, because nitrous is cheap, nitrous works great, and it's not nearly as, you know, hard or dangerous for the car when used properly as people think it is. So again, that's the big plan for the 2018. I'm super excited about getting going on the install for this. I do need to get a couple of parts. Hopefully I'll have those parts in the next few weeks, and then we can start rolling on the install. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Keep an eye out for the install video that we'll be doing probably in the next few weeks or so. Also, there'll probably be plenty of time left before the season starts that we could do some test hits with the nitrous. I'd like to go get it dynoed with the nitrous, That would be a good time to get it dynoed on motor as well, and then go from there. Also, we are going to have to add some parts to our build list. We're probably going to have to go with upgraded axles, of course, and an upgraded drive shaft. The goal with this thing now is going to be to run 9s. I don't think that just by putting a 200 shot on there that we're just going to go out and run 9s, but if we do everything that we need to do to make this car come out of the hole really hard, that's why we're going to put the axles and the drive shaft on there. You know, we'll probably get the tune with the trans brake. I don't even know if that's going to be needed trying to come out of the hole on a 200 shot, but we'll have it just in case. So again, we're going to skip right over 10s and we're going to shoot for 9s with this thing. So just like I said, we got big plans for the channel. We got big plans for 2019. This is really just a short video updating you guys, letting you know what's going on. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys.
We drift deeper into the sun.